I feel like I'm having a good hair day today. For the stove shopper. These right here, I stumbled upon a freaking miracle. We are finding beauty on a budget. Hey fam, it's your girl Amanda coming at you with a special video. If you've never seen my face before, that must mean you're not a part of the fam jam. So you better hit that subscribe button really quickly. And follow me on all my socials to stay extra up to date on everything. I just have to show you guys something really quick because oh my gosh, I think I am in love. If you notice this wonderful shirt that I am wearing right now, this is the first official Amanda surprise shirt. Cause you know, while your girl's out doing errands and some running around, she's wearing her own merch. Not saying that I have merch for sale at all, but maybe one day I will. This is the shirt that I had made, and it is, I think, very adorable for someone's very first shirt. Then the back, I really hope I'm getting into frame. Oh my gosh. There's a beauty quote on the back with some, like, you know, YouTube info on there. And of course, a unicorn, because your girl is a unicorn disguised in a girl's body. So let me know if you like the shirt or what, and just give me some feedback because I think it is badass and your girl will be sporting it all the time. Let's jump right into today's video. So today I was out doing some errands, running around, doing a little bit of shopping, but don't worry, it wasn't anything really cool that I was picking up, just mostly like home stuff. So I made a stop at the Dollar Tree because that is one really good place to get anything that you need for your home or pretty much anything. So some of the things that I picked up today were some light bulbs for, like, what are these, nightlight bulbs and chandelier bulbs? I don't know. The ones with the really skinny small bottom that you screw in. Anyways, and a whole bunch of different types of drawer organizing things because your girl is reorganizing her like beauty drawers, and I really love these plastic containers. But today's main event are these bad boys right here. Of course, in every store I go in, I have to make a stop in the beauty section because your girl loves anything beauty, fashion. You all know that, I don't gotta tell you. So, I seen, okay, for $1.25 in the Dollar Tree, they had these beautiful colors of a glossy liquid lipstick. Then sitting right beside those guys were freaking matte liquid lipsticks, okay, at the Dollar Tree. So I thought we would do a review slash testing them out together. So I really hope that these are hits. So I have my trusty unicorn mirror. I have a makeup wipe. I grabbed my e.l.f. lip exfoliator stick and my e.l.f. translucent powder and my dense powder brush. So I'm going to zoom you guys in nice, close, and personal, and let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with my e.l.f. lip exfoliating stick. This thing is amazing. I love it. And the good thing about this is it is made out of like natural things like sugar and wax and stuff, so you can eat it, like it tastes sweet, but I am going to, wipe it off. Then after the lip exfoliator, I'm gonna just dab some of the e.l.f. translucent powder on my lips to have a completely clean, fresh slate. And I think out of the 3 glossy liquid lipsticks, I'm going to go with the pink color first. Then I'm going to definitely try out this beautiful like purple color with like gold kind of undertones. Oh, so let's see what happens. Oh my God, do you see that? Look how pigmented it is. Wow, okay. Okay, so I did the bottom lip. I'm not even gonna dunk it in again because I only used one side of the applicator. So I'm just gonna flip it around and use the other side for the top lip. Wow. Girl! This is a beautiful color. I am obsessed. Isn't that gorgeous? The brand is Ariposa. I'll put it down on the screen here so you can see the actual spelling, but wow, it's beautiful. It's actually kind of like drying down, but it's still glossy. So I think that this is actually a glossy liquid lip. It's not sticky, it's not gross, it's not clumping, it is gorgeous. This lipstick is a plus for me. Get the trusty old wipe out and I'm just gonna clean my lips off. I'm gonna do the same process as I did for the first one. So I'm gonna wipe, exfoliate quickly, and translucent powder. So I will see you in a minute. All right, here goes nothing with this beautiful purple. I hope it has the same outcome as that pink glossy liquid lipstick did. So let's see. Oh my gosh. It's like a purpley pearlescent kind of finish. Oh, see, in the packaging, it to me looked like there was little like gold undertones, but it's actually like a pearlescent kind of purple color. The consistency of this one isn't as thick. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Have I been blocking? I'm so bad. I'm sorry. See, I think I'm gonna try dipping in one more time. So twice, and I'm just gonna see. Oh yeah, see 2 coats of this is gorgeous. Look at me again. Amanda, come on. But I do want to say that 2 coats isn't making it like chunky or chalky or gross or anything like that. This is also a total hit. Like, the color payoff is beautiful. The finish is gorgeous. It's so nice. What do you think about this color? Hey, makes my lips look really big, doesn't it? I can't help but look into the viewfinder. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. I am going to wipe this beautiful glossy purple moment off my lips. Oh, it's beautiful. Now it's time for the main event, and that is the matte liquid lipstick. The lip glosses were phenomenal, okay, for real. That was the mirror. I am going to go with this red color here and this mauve color. And I'm hoping and praying to the liquid lipstick gods, let this be a total bomb diggity product, right? I am going to go ahead and apply the number 10 matte liquid lipstick because none of them have shade names. They're all just numbers. Oh, okay, it's got a nice little doe foot applicator, and let's get applying. Oh, okay. This is a really cool formula, I'm gonna say that. This liquid lipstick is amazing also. Like, it dries really quickly, so unfortunately you have to apply it a little bit quick, but I do like looking at it up close in the mirror. It's nice. It literally looks like my lips are this color. Let me see if I could get like close. So you see how nice it is? Not cracky at all. It's nice. Please ignore the bottom lip. I tried talking while applying liquid lipstick, which is never a good idea. But this is amazing. I'm gonna do a kiss test just to see how good this matte liquid lipstick is. I grabbed a completely clean Kleenex. So I'm going to blot. Oh my gosh, look at, wow. It stays. It stays. It is a perfect matte liquid lipstick for $1.25, like insane. I have a good feeling. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so hard to take off. Look at. All right, Aliexpress, I see you, okay? You are making some pretty good quality products, and like, I'm shook a little bit. So now for the bright red. Let's see what happens. So I'm not gonna talk at all while applying this, okay? So I'm sorry, I'll speed it up a little bit. Wow. Wow. Wow, like, this is amazing. And I'm so happy that I'm just drying it a little bit, that I stumbled upon it, and I really hope that this is new to you and you're excited to run to the Dollar Tree and see if you can find these, because they are so good. Like, look at this red. It's pigmented, it's also not sticky, and to me, on my lips, they both feel like exactly the same consistency and everything. Like, it's amazing. I keep looking in the viewfinder because I'm like, wow, like, look at it. My lips match my little necklace. Isn't that adorable? It's a completely blinged out set of lips. It's adorable. This lipstick is amazing. For my final thought on the Aliexpress Dollar Tree liquid lipstick, I guess we'll call it a collection, because there's glossy finish and there is matte finish, so I guess it's a collection. Yeah, we'll go with that. I think that they are absolutely stunning. They look very nice on the lips. They are probably the most inexpensive liquid lipstick you can find anywhere, considering it's at the Dollar Tree. And I'm pretty sure that this is a Dollar Tree brand. I'm not sure, like 110% sure, but a lot of the other makeup products that I see there have the same name. So I think yes, next time you're in your Dollar Tree, check to see if they have them, because I am telling you, you will be so happy that you were able to get them, and once you try them, you'll be hooked, girl. So if you would like to see maybe a Dollar Tree makeup challenge, you know, where I do my full face in only Dollar Tree products, that might be funny or fun. But yeah, you'll let me know down below if that's something you would like to see. I am so happy that this video turned out how it did. Yay! Well guys, that is the end of this testing out and reviewing Dollar Tree, yes, Dollar Tree liquid lipstick, and I am very happy to say that it's 2 thumbs up. If I had 3 or 4 thumbs, they would be up. Well guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, join the fam. You don't know what you're missing, okay? Oh, and don't forget, let me know what you think of my special fancy t-shirt because I love it. Well guys, I am gonna leave you with that, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Love you guys. Can you see my hair is so big you can't even see my little ears. Oh my gosh.